photographic awards in the category Juniors Lady Long Hair. On the third place from Canada, Christine Gilliland. Are you here? Signor, per cortesia, signor Matracchi, Joachim Rus and Irina, the president of the Prestige Club, please come on stage. Yes, here they are, here they are. Joachim? Joachim? Here you are. Okay, we said first category Juniors Ladies Long. Third position, Canada, Christine Gilliland. She's not here, I guess. Second goes to Denmark, Simon Kudler Rasmussen. The winner of this competition, he comes from Ireland, Sandra Green. Sandra. She's not here. Thank you, Ray. She's not here. But the president of the Irish Federation is here. Maeve O'Reilly O'Hara. Maeve O'Reilly O'Hara is the president of the Irish Hairdressers Federation. Thank you very much. We go now to the next award, Photographing Award, Prestige Club, in the category Juniors Ladies on short hair. On the third place, again from Ireland, Sandra Green. Short hair, World Best Styling, the Photographic Awards again. On the third place, from Switzerland, Rachel Butchuk. Ireland, Raimondas Bastardakis from Ireland is the winner of this photographic award.
Every second of sound, and I don't know whether I'm being fooled, don't know whether I'm being lied, but it's something that I believe in. It's their way.
The winner of category Senior Gents Short Hair, World Best Stylist 2011 in the Photographic Award from the Prestige Club. The winner from Ireland. In the next category, Senior Gents Long Hair. Senior Gents Long Hair. The third awards, this third photographic awards, the third positions goes to Switzerland, Roberto Vitto. The second, on the second place for this photographic award, Senior Gents Long Hair, he comes from Ireland, Wayne Patridge. And the winner, Photographic Award, Prestige Club, World Best Stylist 2011 in this category, Senior Gents on Long Hair, is Peter Cardon.
so